So this week we're at the Big Bang Fair UK. So it's a national science fair aimed at kids to come here and be inspired by the things they're seeing and be interested in considering a career in science. The main feature of a digital classroom is that all of the images and all the microscopes are connected and visible. So that means every student has a chance to see every single image, and that means everyone can be much more engaged in what the class is doing that day. It's been really, really good. So we must have had well over 1,000 children every single day. When people see these things for the first time, a close-up view of the feeding tube of a tick or the jaws of an ant, we've got the really positive reactions that we're hoping for.
The image quality is really nice, really clear. I've not seen anything quite as good.
Like when you look at the little bugs, suddenly they're really big and they're like, whoa.
It shows how tiny things can be and how detailed things can be at such a small level as well.
I definitely recommend trying out the system. The more you play about with it, the more you'll discover and find application for it in the classroom.
The fact that we have these kind of events going on in the UK, trying to get children excited about science, it's really encouraging, and to be an actual part of that has been an amazing experience for me.